It's way better than Starbucks. After this, they'll hate me. In a bowl, start by adding 200 grams of powdered milk, then 50 grams of instant coffee, 8 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cocoa, 3 tablespoons of maltine powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, then just mix it all up real good. Set it aside in a smaller bowl. Add 200 grams of semi-sweet chocolate. Microwave it or use a double boiler. Mix it up. Next, pour this chocolate into 50 milliliters coffee cups. Now, just chill it until it thickens. Once firm, we repeat the process. Once done, now we just cut this cup. Now just fill them with our cappuccino powder. You can also store it in a glass jar. It's up to you. That's it. Transfer to a mug and add hot water. For 200 milliliters of water, use about 2 tablespoons. Add more sugar if you want, and I hope you liked it. Another recipe from the Broke in the Kitchen. Big hug. See you next time. And thanks.